The WeatherTech BumpStep XL helps protect your bumper and functions as a step. Manufactured from a two-step process for added strength, featuring an overmolded cushion with soft touch grip, the WeatherTech BumpStep XL installs into the 2-inch hitch receiver of your vehicle. To install your BumpStep XL, slide the 2-inch square post of your BumpStep XL fully into the 2-inch hitch receiver with the groove step surface facing upward, and back it out enough to allow the ball of the foot to rest centered on the BumpStep XL, with the tip of the foot just clearing the bumper. Note the matching hole and remove the BumpStep XL from the hitch receiver. Keeping in mind the noted hole, insert the hex nut into the corresponding hex hole on the side of the post. Next, slide the BumpStep XL back into the vehicle's hitch with the hex nut in the BumpStep XL and align with your noted hole. Making sure your lock washer is under the head of the bolt and the flat washer follows. Insert the bolt into the right side of the receiver and tighten to a snug fit. Approximately 30 foot-pounds of torque. Do not over-tighten the bolt. Please note, the flat washer can be eliminated if there is a clearance issue on your vehicle. If you have purchased the theft deterrent stainless hardware, tighten your bolt using a 1/2 inch Allen key wrench. Please remember to not over-tighten the bolt. For more information about the WeatherTech BumpStep XL and our line of automotive accessories, please visit WeatherTech.com.